Chorizo Media, that's the name of the artist.
Oh, nah. My husband and I spent the perfect day in Miami exploring the most vibrant art district in Florida. We did a walk-in tour of Wynwood, but it wasn't just any tour. Our guide was the incredible local artist Sara Molano, who gave us a deeper look at the heart behind the walls.
Was the oldest painted in Wynwood. It was painted in 2009 by G. Weiss.
Oh, wow. You're right. I can see it in the camera much better. Wow. Seeing the neighborhood through the insider's eyes was amazing, especially getting to stand right in front of her and her husband's gorgeous artwork.
You cannot see her breast, that she's showing her breast, because this is about breast cancer. I was raised by my aunt, and I was 8 years old. She was diagnosed with breast cancer, and she fought breast cancer for many years, so I paint about it. The pink is for breast cancer awareness. 1 out of 8 women are gonna go through this challenge. The number is too high.
Incredible art and the best company. Miami, you have our hearts.